That's my track. Share this video, guys. Let's go there. Share this video. Don't fear. Only big person. Invite those single mothers. May they come. I got a message for them. You get why? Share this video for me. Let me play my guy.
Who will you meet today? Download Tango and start connecting.
Qualunque cosa per te valga oro, c'è Solgar per te. Solgar, find your gold.
Tap on your screen, guys, as you're watching this broadcast. Share this video to most of our single mothers in the diaspora at large, especially France and Germany. ọ̀dọ́ máa gbé. Òpónàwé ọ̀dọ́ máa gbé o. Òpónàwé ọ̀dọ́ máa gbé. Òpónàwé ọ̀dọ́ máa gbé o. Dum-dum-dum. Let me go for the masses chairman. I'm not touching masses chairman. The Agada Godo of the Domicile. Scuba. Very yoga. That's the masses chairman. All right. Thank you very much. The school board.
Bluetooth disconnected.
I greet you all with better style while I'm to talk for national peace to reign. As you all know, this is Frank Victor, the Umenwan, the social media king, the social media kubana, the social media ututunomunawa, the social media enyowa, the social media akobisi. Roda, Iran ya nosi kakobisi. Irok by mukbe mo baba with this man. Do my drink. I want you. We are also talk for national peace to reign. Thank you all my gifters. I appreciate you. We are right there. Please don't hesitate to share this video. Power tap on your screen as you're watching this broadcast. And please, share this video to most of the single mom out there who are watching this broadcast. Thank you very much, my beautiful sister. I appreciate you for your gift. That is Obazeni Musi. So please, guys, share the video. It's very important. Life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. So this video will help a lot of our single mom out there who they was they misbehave. They don't know that they misbehave. You understand? So we always bring a company to keep them. Because a lot is really happening right now in Germany and in France. But most of our moms, they don't know. You understand? And some of the atrocities will be sitting for our women they do. We're not good. We'll see talk about them. Few months ago now, at least for like 1 year now, whenever they hear, hey, they don't collect my PQ, they don't collect my PQ, government don't collect my PQ, Nigerians, make una help me, they don't collect my children. You understand? And I believe say the help of the social media stuff and the help of the advice and whatever saga will do, bars will still, coordinate the positions of our women. They put them to their place, make them also understand what to do and what not to do. Respect to you women out there. And I want to say very big thanks and very big respect to all those single moms who are really taking the responsibility of their children without no father, taking care of their kids in good health. May God bless you now. God strengthen you the more. God give you more wisdom and more understanding and more knowledge, to pilot the affair of your kids. You understand me now? So it's not easy. You understand? People you carry for good 9 months for government to collect for your hand. Something else. And inside there, so we still get a lot of our responsible mothers out there, responsible women who are married legally. Their husband has, they are faithful to their husband. May God bless you, women. For the one where they constitute nuisance, where they make me. They throw mats to some of the women who are even responsible self. And devil will sow down a man to the hosting gun. Not a joke. You understand? Now, do you know the update they want giving us? We're going to listen now. Mothers make una listen and they drop updates now for the single mother. And December comes, so a lot of things they up and drop these updates. And many of our women they do one. First, you see all those of our women where they always go to buy medicine. So they buy medicine from Africa shop. So they buy medicine come from Nigeria. So they buy this medicine from all those normal guy, the rogue boys where they camp. But I just hold on now. I go to give them the updates. You understand? Which medicine did they buy? So they buy this sleeping medicine. Where children they sleep. No be that they want eat them. They buy medicine, they give their kids wait till they sleep. But they will not see this. Now they listen, these children was born here. They bought this children for Europe, whether Germany or France. Mostly France and Germany. Mostly where the major update for the boss now are Germany and France. So we could sit down, and for those of us who still get Africa shop, all those Africa shop owners, they could sit down. And you go back now, they could sit down. Africa shop owners, they could sit down. In every nonsense, there's a sense. Now go pick sense from my nonsense this evening. It's very important. So if they watch me now, person will get Africa shop, share this video, go give them. Because call on firstly, watch this bros video. If you not watch it for TikTok, maybe we don't pass this place. Make you go my YouTube channel tomorrow morning. I will post on my YouTube channel. The same name we did this TikTok, now still the YouTube, Umenwan TV. So make you go my YouTube channel. You go see this video there. Go play for there. It's because any video I do for my TikTok, you go my YouTube direct. It's linked straight to my YouTube. Tomorrow morning you can watch it on my YouTube. So the update about our women, where they always give their children sleeping medicine. They go give their kids sleeping medicine. And that medicine they really affect the children badly. Now, they listen, this medicine, now from Nigeria. This medicine get age limits when they take this sleeping medicine. You know, say most of our, if you check, 95% of our single mothers in Europe, they are illiterate. They are not literate. That is, they don't go school. They not mean that they're stupid or they don't get sense but they not go school. I know what they are say they are illiterate. So if I say some of our single mothers are illiterate, just know say if you not did remove yourself, but if you did the category of illiterate, position yourself and listen. Maybe for get sense. Now, this medicine, just take for example now, Aproko bijan. Normal Aproko day. Normal Aproko bijan day. Aproko bijan strong past normal Aproko. So Aproko bijan, it gets age of person with the taker. And it gets kind of we go get if you take Aproko bijan. It gets kind of we go still get you still take Aproko. Aproko bijan is more powerful than Aproko. Most of the doctors they go know. You understand? If like for example now say boy the whole you the boy just full up. You know what Boston? Take Aproko bijan go make the boy. Aproko bijan the met. If you want abort belly, Aproko bijan are very fast to abort pregnancy. You understand? Anything swallow for your body, Aproko bijan very mental. We know the work of Aproko bijan those years. Now you go imagine now you as a mother, you buy Aproko bijan. Take for example, come go give your pikin make a drink. Say it dey met boy for body. You understand? You don't forget say that Aproko bijan get the age group with the taker. You get the age group with the taker. So most of our women don't know this thing. Most of the people they sell for Africa shop, they don't even know all these things. They are not doctor. They just buy them for pharmacy. For pharmacy for Nigeria, load down for luggage, carry and come. You understand? Put on shop. Man, you get you get Aproko bijan. I get. Everybody call they give you. You know, you don't know when you are supposed to take it, when you're not supposed to take it, the quantity you are supposed to take, and when you're not supposed to take. Now, the update about our women for Germany, because of say their kids, they always the agile. If they always disturb, so their kids they couldn't go to sleep for nights. Then they could sleep based on the way they treat them, the way they bring them up. So their kids, they always the form of disturb. If you go Germany, you will see such children disturb where at Deutschland, not the headquarters. Children feel they jump for altar of God's self. You understand? So what this woman could do now? They will go buy sleeping medicine from either Africa shop or they send them from Africa. Their parents go buy them or they go post and come for them. Now, they'll send for those people they carry medicine, they call they carry things, they will bring and come for them. If they reach out, they will give these children this medicine they eat. These children now, when they drink this medicine, they don't know the age group limit who's supposed to take that medicine. This women now they give, when I listen to this, it does scatter ground now, it does sex for Jebita for Balebe. Now, these women now will give their pikin sleeping drugs. If their pikin don't sleep, then someone will go to TikTok, they will spend day break for TikTok. They go date TikTok like Uno gets children. Some go date TikTok, they play love. Some go date TikTok, they do all manner of things. Some go carry boyfriend. Some go carry boyfriend come house. Maybe their pikin don't know, hear no and say they want knack, they want bug. They go give their pikin sleeping medicine, their pikin sleep off. They go carry boy, I don't know boy for house. I don't know boy will whip them because they scream. Different things they make our women they put sleeping medicine for food for their kids. Now, mind you, if these same children now go to school, they go still continue the same sleep because the medicine they work for their body. Throughout this teaching, these children will sleep, they don't go fit teach, they don't go fit learn anything for school. When I sit down, when I listen to, when I share this video, make me listen to what matter we saw for Germany. These children now go sleep off. Continuity like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Some of these children, if you see them now for church, they go out there with iPad. You'll be like zombie. Most of the children now they act like zombie. They don't talk again. They don't feel they work. They don't feel they jump up and down. They agile as normal kids supposed to be before. Imagine picking with they agile before. If you can't come your house or you come your church, you can't do one place. You don't really talk. You can't like don't do like Oswald. You understand? So now what is the update we could have for the children for Deutschland and France? So now this thing now, devil, I mean not saying God now catch one woman for Israel now for Germany. The woman they give you picking sleeping medicine, continuity. They give you picking sleeping medicine. So if the picking goes school, they always sleep off, they sleep off, they sleep off, they sleep off. They think they ram past. These children, two children. Anytime they come school, they still sleep, they sleep. Don't they learn anything for school? Mind you, these same women, they don't read. They don't know how to read. They don't even integrate themselves. They are to open bekus, ma jump, pour for inside. They're born. Open bekus, jump, pour for inside. School, they don't they go. Work, they don't they go. Once the people they reach 2 to 3 years, they find that man go give them belly. Where your husband, they say they don't get husband, single mother. They go start they check on that picky again. Now so they live their life, they collect Deutschland, taxpayer money for Germany without no father. Now, this particular woman now for Germany, shame not let her come out for social media, come cry. Say they collected 2 children. Shame not let her come out now for social media, come cry to the world, say they collect 2 children. Because you know, say they ask, say, wait till you do. Madam, what till you do? I don't my drink. One of the things they have for Germany now. This thing that they happen, this thing that happen now. Day before yesterday. These children, the teacher now constantly say these children also sleep, they sleep. They can't involve social. Social, they can't call police. Police now can't call social. They can't write letter more than 4 good times to the mother. The mother they see letter, they don't look at live a life. This is a normal letter. You know they read. You don't know, you don't carry the letter, go give person, maybe they translate for them. The woman did like that, keep letter for us. They even invite her. Through social invite her, she not read the bone. Not when this woman children go to school. Now they call police. And they sleep again as not as usual. Till they close, these children sleep well. Better sleep. They call police. Now police remove the children. Remove children. Now she can go find one, go interpret for her. She might find go interpret for her. She can call social media live video presenter. my baby mama. That one they speak Dutch. And now I city for happen so. The first blow me the news. As I they cut the news they go. Now she called a call and analyze everything finish. And the woman say, you don't have to speak Dutch? She say yes. Translate for your sister. Why they collect our 2 children. As they give the woman letter, make it translate. The woman reads. As if you read letter, then you charge Jesus. Now this one make I don't translate for you. What thing you do? And say, what thing you give the children? But now a small thing, it's like so. The woman say, and I know my blood medicine. And I said, I'm go see, I'm go house, I'm go check. They reach the woman house. The woman bring medicine where they give the children. Come out, bam. They say this one has sleeping medicine. Who prescribe this medicine for you when they give these children? He said that they are children doctor. When they listen now, everybody so yeah, let's go to children doctor. They control children doctor. Children doctor say, prescribe this kind of medicine. Give them. Mind you, the medicine where they made for Europe, they know. Made in Africa, they know. That's the medicine. You don't be doctor prescribe this medicine. Terror investigation against the doctor. You understand? Now, who give you this medicine? Now the matter with the soft since how many days now? Voila. You understand me now? Now, first of all, let me coach the Africa shop owners. Now, if I get this short message, me I quickly chop on our own. Sharp, as the hot. Obuna ferry. I beg you, help me share this video. Una share the video, Una share the video sharp. Una share. Una help me splinter. Una splinter, una yes story. Hey God. Una splinter, make I feel good, man. What is bad is bad. What is good is good.
Raga, comunque è uscito il nuovo Spotify Wrapped. Sì, infatti stavo vedendo pure io.
Why is it Gumemia? Can you just please keep quiet? One boy is you now, I tell you. You understand? I will best you. Share this video, guys. But share video now. Boss, too, big journalist will be. Oh God. Will be a day journalist. I wait, I'm going to journalist in here. Yo, guy. And the phone you honey, I love you. Auntie, what do you say? Voila. Oh. Problema. You see, problem things. It's a problematic problema. It's a problem things. But I split the video sharp as they hot. You understand? I'm gonna share on the share rice shimmy you. Before my network was started to behave, you know say me and the get bad network for you. For the network was started to zoom. My network they always misbehave way. Think they used to my network. When I power tap, PNC. Okay. Again. Okay. I see him. I see you. All right. My people, for those of now we get Africa shop, Germany and France, they could shift closer. They could shift closer. They could not go because of how many euro, 100 euro, highest 100 euro. They could buy the medicine on a hand. If you go, you will still reach. Because of that one, you can go pricing, and they will still close your Africa shop. For those of you now where they say sleeping medicine, illegal sleeping medicine for your shop, be careful. This message now for now. Now, waiting the rain now, and the latest updates now for Deutschland. For those of you now, where they say those kind of a thing, they give women, where they go to give their children, they eat. It go affect you now tomorrow. If Ogbalekbe enter those women matter, they go verify where if for buy them. And if they come your shop, find and say it's illegal. Now you they say now you get problem with Ogbalekbe. You know the story. Now get problem. If they can't do control for your shop, you will get problem. And they talk this now for security reasons. Make you for this sharp, know what to do in case of next time. Medicine no cash up with now. You see that woman now. If in Africa shop she buy that medicine, she don't. That Africa shop not the problem. Because definitely Ogbalekbe must make that country, they must verify. Make sure so you go show them the shop with for buy that medicine. The doctor will prescribe that medicine for them. They give children. You could be a problem. Now assuming you come to your shop now, you say that this shop is for buyer. They come say, madam, now you sell this thing for this woman. Yes. They'll say, first of all, out of the shop, they will do proper checkup for the shop. They go first search the shop. If they sell drugs, illegal drugs, cocaine and everything, they go search the shop. Any other medicine where they say illegally for the shop, you find the problem. Or any other cream where they say illegally cream for the shop, we Italian not allow enter the country. No problem. Even Scubian and self, where they say they don't even ban Scubian for Italy. But the way Scubian don't they cost now. If things they cost like this for Italy, you know say Italy don't ban down. Scubian they say you buy 2 Scubian sometimes €1.50, like €2. We take buy 2 Scubian now. 2 Scubian now they go €7 plus. You understand? So you to say things they be like this for Italy, they struggle the things they enter the country illegally. So make we not go to use one small thing, just go expose na yash for Africa shop wanna get for Europe. It is very, very, very important. So you will watch me now when you listen. Share this video, go give person we don't say get Africa shop, make you watch this video. It is very, very important. The Deutschland police, they are not smiling at all toward this single mother. They are trusting what they do to their children. That one, they one side. The same single mother will take medicine to destroy their pikin for womb, to make their pikin become imbecile, special pikin for womb. See the real way our woman is born special pikin now. If you ask a woman, say why your pikin like this, they go tell you that they do them. Most of our mothers now don't they take medicine till they condemn their children heads or inside their womb, they go born on like that, which is very, very bad. Just because of the money we involve, where they give special children, they will become one condemn pikin for belle. It don't make sense. And I ask myself questions: who creates these women? Who give them this kind of mindset? Who give them this kind of mentality? Pikin wey be say you know fit create, you go try to demolish one side of the body, use one side talk to it back, you know. And you go there comfortable and be proud of it bedside. You see the reason why I say I dey talk to all these people, women, make una dey change. Women supposed to be ashamed. Say you bring human being wey be say not complete con life. You supposed to real mothers they are ashamed. How you go born? How a woman would say you dey okay, your husband dey okay. Una want born a boy in bichile. Your pikin dey complicated. Mind you, listen and listen good. Nobody they born for Europe where they don't tell you what you want born. If now better pikin you want born now from belle, from 4 months they don't tell you what you want born. From 5 months they don't really tell you. As they know what you want with a man or a woman, that's why they go tell you say this pikin go get issue if it come life. It is better we flush it out or we leave it. Now you can't say okay flush it, they will flush it. So most of these women when they born special pikin, they purposely bring these children to life to suffer the children, to also put themselves on bondage because of the money they want to receive. It's so alarming, it's so bad. So you see our mother would take medicine for belle to spoil pikin for inside belle, make the pikin for becoming better than the born. So mothers now for abroad, this is our new Jay-Z now for abroad, they take drugs to have a special child. Because we both give her a special child, doesn't mean the child is special. It's a nonsense child. Peradventure that the name where they call that pikin they give now, they make them they go crazy. Autopsy children, special children. Nothing special about the pikin. Nothing special about this pikin. Nothing autopsy about it. You know the meaning of autopsy children? They gonna pikin not good. Nothing special. You understand? Okay, 12 weeks. God bless you. They don't even know what they want born. It's not crazy for a woman to not say, okay, if I take this, there's okay. Now this whiskey now, red label, they write and say they even draw pregnant woman. They even people not supposed to take this thing. They even draw and put pregnant woman not supposed to take this thing. No, this one not supposed to take this thing. No, this one they draw. Oh, you go draw and put. As a draw the pregnant woman, he stroke her. Then you can okay. Maybe if I drink this red label, if I drink one bottle a day, tomorrow I drink another bottle, it go make the pikin become in back corner. They come life. Or I go make the pikin turn to ologogoro. If I call it pikin go good, you continue to do one. So you go sit down for your house comfortably. Sit down comfortably as a mother. Just decide to choose. Say you want bring pikin wey go give you problem. Pikin wey not go make you work out and leave house. Pikin wey go make you not go market alone without taking the pikin follow body. Pikin wey no go fit live for them. Say no, but maybe they look at me. I don't go this place. You could just choose. You could just frustrate your life. You don't know since anybody will get special pikin is a frustrated woman. It's just the truth. I don't say most of them go see insult me, but make I tell you the truth. If not they feel pompous, not they feel too, not they feel special, you people are not special. You people are already useless in life. If you have special children for this abroad, you are already a useless woman. You can't move. You can't do anything with that. You can't be proud of that pikin. If they go church now, the people they run for her. Enough if follow people play the way other people they have made they play. It's quite different from other children. Are you proud that your children cannot play with other some mates? Is that what they're proud of? So you get you know you cute up your pikin, look cute, position, take photos, take your children outside guiding, mingle with other friends, be happy with them, play with them, look good with them, go outside with a fellow Igbo, go to picnic. My own children this summer, so they go picnic. You know how many weeks they stay for picnic? They travel to come on for their city. Now school sponsor their travel. School now sponsor them. Sponsor them come on. If doesn't have special pikin, they go carry and go. Who want to take care of them? School now sponsor their travel. They give them their rooms, bags, everywhere. They give them their luggage. They lodge there. For that city far. Everybody with the documents. They carry the common for the city, for the area, for the city. Go to that place, far. Spend that many weeks for there. They go give the mother time, the parents time when you go take call them. When you go take carry phone, call them. Can you try that on special pikin? I don't know what really happen to our women nowadays. Draw, we be say you're not supposed to take, you would take and just to condemn pikin for belle, born in beside come life. I'm not making sense. It's a shame and disgrace to our women. It's a big shame. Did you go to Gualana? Money will be say you don't make for road work. Now your pikin you want to make them where they come from your womb. The gift of God from your womb. The special gift of the Most High God. Where God placed in your womb. A lot of people get billions of naira. Put on your head, they find pikin. Do you know how many times some women don't do IVF? Just to have one child. Enough for put. They don't do a matter of IVF. Just to have a child of their own. Just to put child from their womb. Just for them to feel pregnancy. The joy of a woman to see your own womb. You swear. They were kind of like crickets. It no come. Now you go see mother where God go bless in a platter of gold. You go say this one where God want give me so God not do this one where make I turn out to become imbecile, make I turn out to become imbecono, make I turn out to become up tossing children. But they go to use your hand, go market, buy some handful drugs, begin to the tick. To make sure you twist the head of the pikin, it can't become like this. It can't turn to imbecono. It can't turn mama. Your pikin go there 16 years. It never they sit down. Your people go there 25 years. It never they talk. And you proud as a mother? Are you proud as a mother? That one a life. That's an error. Which kind of spirits enter our women body? which kind demonic evil spirits enter some of our women body for abroad, where they proud of imbecile children. It's totally bad. It don't make sense. It is hard time our women know say this thing no good. Some go say no cause person. We're not the cause any picking. We're not the cause the children. Now the mother be the bad head. The mama now be the bad head. We go sit down comfortably, bring in special charge to life. If it come mistakenly, the Oyibo go tell you say you want to remove her or you want to leave her. As a wise woman, you don't know say you're supposed to remove that special picking. That you go leave her there. Then you bring down life because of the money you want chop for government hand. What you want gain? Waiting you want gain as a mother to bring special charge come life. It's totally bad. Our women make una the year now. Because the table don't change now. Now Germany now this one the operation don't start now for Germany. Now no one TBC anything they start for country for Europe they work around. They work around. Giving your children sleeping medicine make una stop am. Giving your kids sleeping medicine make una stop am. The thing they affect the children. Most children when they give sleep medicine, years was well. Picking when they be born come life, head children come life. Some don't only bedside because of sleeping medicine when they bring from Nigeria. Because of sleeping medicine where they bring come from Nigeria. I don't want to bring anybody picture comments. I don't want to bring all those Africa shop picture comments where they sell them. I don't want to saga them. But I can't advise you. What's going to do? You don't cast. You don't cast. Last. When I go chop breakfast. The things when they do secretly codedly don't cast to make una shift. Una remove hand from inside. The same thing still goes for our men where they take tramadol till they sleep with woman. Say because you want to make woman come, make the woman feel say man you be fire down, you be Michelin, you be Aerostar, you be Talo Speed, you don't be Matuto, you dey wipe goto, you will take tramadols till they open doors. That one are Italy base. Italy do those one way. Italy guys and Germany guys, even including France. Una go take tramadols. Una go take open doors. Make the play for no door. Oga, you dey door yourself. You are killing your blood cell. You know say you there abroad. Tramadol where you talk, where you take na illegal medicine. Or you put the prescriber for you. The only person we don't see or you don't prescribe tramadol give. And now they give her. They talk, tell her how many would they take he did. He get the kind of tramadol they give her. The guy is sick for waste. Now my guy, once they give her that medicine, as you take that medicine, you go all day okay. It not be like the normal tramadol we not they take for streets. All those 25 milligram, 250 milligram, 300 milligram, 500 milligram, we not they take for streets. You understand? What you go make me no say I never take that thing. Now when I dey camp, when I do farm work, tobacco farm, we'll we'll work in the morning. Like I say, if you call house, your waist, you don't fit stand straight. Now the guy come tell me say, okay, no worry, the one where they give her. With that one, a government prescribe a doctor. For say the one doctor give her, he can't give me 2. The guy take her. Say take 2, this 2. Like now 100 milligram. I can't take 2. But early morning, 4 o'clock, let me wake up. Let me wake up in the morning, make boy like this. Oh boy, that's damage they walk, oh bro. Say, and for waste. And I come back. Now the one they say, till they knock woman, bog woman. Say if you drink am, you go last long. You want last long on top of Toto, everlasting man. You want to become everlasting man on top of Bekus. Normal Toto way is sweet. You don't pass 5 minutes. Normal Bekus way still tight. We all your day. With the normal juicy Bekus. Bekus way still dey juicy. You're not supposed to pass 5 minutes. If you don't knock to reach 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but that will be Toto again. You dig hole. Bro, you are digging hole. When people talk say the last 30 minutes, but not be 30 minutes knocking. You go calculate the hours with the romance, suck breast, suck bombi, kissy, romance, finger, do all those things. None of those things go calculate and say we don't spend about 30 minutes since. Say you see to say alpha open now. How many people they go Ashawo joint to go spend 30 minutes on top of Ashawo? Let us be frank to ourselves. Like those medicine, whether they advertise for Benin or Oga, not be only Ganjo, they are clear your blood cell, bro. The disadvantage go bad for you when you're the old. Many of our guys know they know. You want to satisfy woman. Wait till you want to satisfy broga. If you do as your strength, we go give you woman. Don't try. Leave her, make it go. That your heads matter. I who you is the title. Before you there was total. After you there will still be totalist. You understand? Before you there were total. After you there will still be totalist. You get to my point now. And also, there's a satisfy woman. There are different angles, different skills to satisfy woman sexually. Without killing yourself on top of because back. Baba, you knock too much, your brain go sleep. Oh yes. Bring the get time when they vibrate for Toto. If the time when the storm supposed to come out, not come out, you go weak. Now vein follow your bola, not be iron. Your bola will go down. Mind you, bola when they use drugs, they raise. You must give a continuity. If the day when you go fail to use drugs, sleep with woman, you go fuck up. That's the disadvantage. The day you go fail to use drug, sleep with woman, you go lose guard yourself. I trust you. If I take beer, if I don't take tennis now, I go bug. Even myself, I go tire. Oh boy. I go tire, so I'm down. You understand? Our men need to know this thing. Look, our young boy for streets. I don't follow woman for this abroad. The woman see my brother, you hold her like this. She say, iye-eki in iye. Iye-eki why is very na. I say, madam, we keep boys na give me na take me ukundan why. I take the care you love. Ah, you bought time when they are going back. Now, woman tell me that thing. They take tramadol. Tramadol go weaken your bula. When you don't tell all this for you to marry now, your woman not go feel enjoy you again. You don't use tramadol to satisfy all those guests around. All this your girl don't use tramadol to finish your bula. For you as a man to know, say this thing not good. It gets side effects. You just jam. You take medicine of Nigeria. They come here. They come. They take. We don't not prescribe for you. You forget your blood cell, your system now not act. You don't adapt to this Europe system. You don't see any of you with this abroad. They take Nigerian medicine for body. When they happen. No, forget what to say. Una system don't they used to display. Many of them they eat Oyibo food, when they drink cafe, everything when they eat here now Oyibo things when they eat. If you want to go take medicine, you go to take to my door, go take bulk. This woman, they come out, you will drink all the drinkable, drink all the concoction, drink everything. You want knock woman, you want kill your blood cell. For how many minutes after the thing, you will forget future, you go forget tomorrow. One can't die, live one. This center leg don't die for man, you are a cripple. If your center leg die, you are a cripple. Bro, I tell you. No waiting it takes. You go see brombi like this for your eye. You go see breast. You go see breast. You go suck breast. If you try this way, you put bola for that because bola go to sleep. Bola go you go throw away head like bingo. You go to sleep. You go bend neck. You go naka. Bola no go stand up. How you go feel? That's the worst disappointment for any man. You understand? Guys, make una stop. No, I know they're not go here. They're not go stop. Forget that muzzle. Guy, give me tramadol there. How far, bro? You get trams. You get trams. Bro, you get trans. Give me trans. When they take trans. You understand? Just like the way our women, they give their pikin sleeping medicine. When they sleep. They use their pikin to yama. Hey, we know, bad. We now stop this habit of these drugs. Not be only they take okay with drug addicts. You, what you thought to do, they added to it. Just like the way they take tennis now, tennis. I want you. I don't they added to tennis. I want you. But me, if I don't see drink, I see the normal, I see the vibe. That's the problem. You understand? That's one thing that bats me. But I give me drink, if you like, I don't see drink 20 years to come. But as I be so that I see the be. My orientation still make boy. If I also see more the way I like to puff. Or you go for. Now you as a woman, you as a mother, make sure that they hear me now. You as a mother, where they give your pikin sleeping medicine. Hear me and hear me clear. Open your 2 ears for grandma and share this to give single mothers there. France, merci beaucoup, and Germany. And they mostly do this work. And they hard work with that one. Because you have pekia, you have pekia, you have minuku, you have your working if you ever any amino, you want to read, you have pekia, that was Hono Kena Yaso, Obiaba, Bodia, Eva no, on Negbe, of Ure, on Negbe, of Ure, Obiaba, Oburu, Obiaba, Oburu, Ideo, Oriwa, Abao, Obiaba, Oburu, it's a star so, oh, Papa, oh, God. Oh my God! Sister, go right now. You decide for prick. You keep your picky sleeping medicine. May they go sleep. May they not hear your soundtrack. May they not hear her soundtrack. Because she knows that tonight, na kill and die. Some of our women, they buy tramps, they wait for their boyfriend. Oh yes. That one a confirmed code for Germany. Germany, they do that one. That one just Germany. Some of our women, they use that when they buy go wait for their boyfriend. You understand? That one I just confirm code for Deutschland. Once they don't buy, they don't see the man don't come. The man go body first, go body finish bar. They'll give her a trance. Only one go smoke it, go. You can use some my daughter step and down. The woman already know say tonight it's about to go down. It's about to go down. You can't put sleep medicine. Take time of food for your children, make children sleep off. They won't sleep, bien. Those don't sleep on, they go. Baba music will start. Music will start. The guy going to start. You will hear, oh Johnny. Oh, Johnny. Oh, Johnny. Baba. Oh, Ivano, oh, Johnny swear, Johnny Gore, Johnny Kirie, Johnny Wanya, Johnny Vule, oh, Vue, Johnny Gore, oh, I go, yeah, boy. If you ever have young of you, who you any Ichigo forget say damn drugs we give those children so get side effects to those children heads. Those children age are too small to take those kind of drugs because those drugs get age limits. You get the age when they take those drugs. Believe me not, you get to kind of people they take that type of bongo. You as a man, you go take syrup. Bro, you don't know what they talk. You go be syrup, now you go take. It gets to kind of medicine where you go still give children a syrup. They will say give her 1 spoon. So they go say give her half spoon. Half teaspoon. They say give her half teaspoon for the drugs. When we say our parents they prescribe, they give us that year. Mama, when you born, you say because you want to sleep, you're good. I don't understand our people. Make una tell all these women, they don't give their pikin drug medicine again. Not be joke. This thing don't dey pass. Be careful for dust land, though. I tell you now. Ogbalebo is looking for them, no. In case he sets, there. You get my point now. When I tell those women, maybe they don't give their picking sleeping medicine. Obi aba body aye.
Ofure.
So now we are also.
Good evening, Pavito.
With you.
No, I'm not understand. How can a mother give pikin sleeping medicine? The thing they surprise me. Oh, waiting make that they give pikin sleeping medicine. Make them for take go out. I be waiting.
Now buggy things now. They're wedding.
God forbid. I look back when miss call.
Baba with a smile.
I greet my brother.
I greet you fast. Water your mouth, oh. You got one for mouth, Baba with a smile. Oh my God, walk on. Oh no, Baba with a smile, not fake.
I greet you.
Baba with a smile. Now reality, now you they talk for guys. Guys where you get brain, where they pick up. Now reality. You know what I mean? Yeah. You tell them reality. Many guys they take Finadol, they take many things. Afraconi, all those drugs where they take the hammer woman. I want to spend 2 hours, I want to spend 3 hours. But, my man, no way. Later, now you go regret say all this way they do, gain no day.
Exactly.
Yeah, not be now later. Just for you to please the girl, you want to take something for in hand.
God bless you.
You got to say you be actor. With that one self, informer boyfriend self, the guy go drive and go say, we are, you know, sabi anything.
God bless you.
When I go start now, or no, but she don't know how far. Now the boy where they take the level, now he know how far. Now he know the game. Now he know the game where they play with the girl.
Yes.
Now so you be about with the smile. All of us now Ghana with this street now. We know what happen.
The bad side of things, they don't go do.
Not true. They talk about this man. Not true. No Ghana when they take her for Europe now, but now get no day that thing. Get no day.
Exactly.
Get no day. Because personally they please. Later you can't displease yourself.
God bless you.
It's now you go relax. Now you go think as a guy. This one they do now fuck up more. How much you guys want to give me? When I go to risk my life.
No be me your tire. If the woman not come, if the man come, make the woman they go.
That process, if you give up, if you don't.
No work woman. I can't be a woman no ya love your cocoa.
Get the way you take breathe. We make it breathe safe with the hammer.
The
moment you don't take her, man, it go.
Yes, now. If you call the woman not come, make the woman they go. You
go get the way you take the orange. If you want orange, that's why you be about this man. I tell you the
just tire.
I want to know if you
love your cocoa, especially so while I'm waiting him. On you say now daughter na igbe name am ma ya wetin be we ma abuse
What price go you take
who don't want small start, who don't want Guinness, who don't want TM, who don't want na
small start. It's a one body. Say you want
you can't drink Jack Daniel, can't drink NEC. Wait you can please okwo.
Now many can make they play game now.
Those many men don't know say those medicine don't affect their liver. Someday their kidney they not go know. Yeah, why can't they who? If I so ahun mi amekere when you just check up or his hospital already yare which that sickness don't dey inside body you no know.
About this man, he know the game. That's why I bring this topic come outside. He know the game. That's why I bring the topic come outside. He know the game. Not be not true they talk.
Not true because of which one is seeing again? I don't know. Now Papa when they smell, what seeing? A TM me seeing.
Like because they are this way they look so like You hear us say, woman go say, "Take care of me, my husband no dey work again." Hey, you know that one can you carry your way go here?
Now I want to know. Now too much of drugs.
Yes, now I
want to know about why this man. Not true.
You know what that man don't take. We make it go on the work again.
Nothing.
Because every advantage get disadvantage. All these tramps that they take so, all this codeine.
I beg, what be this CM?
I don't know what you CM. Maybe na condom manager.
No, not be CM, not TM.
But this one says CM. Me no
No,
even
if
see
they
that
ask,
one.
he say what it be CM, me they ask. Not be CM.
I beg one buyer.
That TM, what did they use and do?
That TM na tramadol. Now, normally
No.
that tramadol na for pain, no. If person
Yes,
do,
no.
if
Mr.
person
Frank.
do,
The time when I did you be
okay, say transform. Okay, already they run and they take transform. Because normally tramadol, your man with severe operation. If you do operation, like if they not even carry right and give person. It get the kind of operation when the person go do, like the kind pain. If they even feel right one sachet for you, don't finish. They not go lie right again. But if you woman work in the abuse,
Mama, it's my dog ebo, eh? My dog ebo. Remember, already ni vie ni biahi.
Olugan, yeah.
Yes.
Nebo normal IS is 50 milligram. But if you woman with 200, 500.
People go that trans for you, eh? If you look the sachets of the trans of Oibo for here, eh?
It's different.
Look,
Wow.
they carry come from here. Whether na Morocco, Cameroon, if you see them, those are the yellow, a bit red.
Yeah, you are right.
Oibo was different.
And they not the right past 50 milligram.
You know where they carry come from? All those Africa. So that could be 250 milligram.
Imagine 500 milligram, 400 milligram. It's so one way for
250. Go take two. After you take two, you go pack Igbo now. You don't blow Igbo now. Then maybe you can go use one kind beer.
You go say when you press the girl. We are pressing now. Normally, we mana okoye metin. We better work over if man woman do something. Now the man never dey tire. Go fall for bed to stand up na problem. The woman go fit still stand up, go clean body. I beg you. Who you want impress?
Eki we wa mugbo ina go su eki wa don. Wa mugbo eki wa vibrate. You understand? Don't be lying. Where you want like was back. The woman will say, if I know, you. Oh boy, the woman will come or here. Well, you gonna feel say you be boss. You be boss. I tell you be boss. The woman, you go to the bed now. Or what to the bed now? Take bed the motor, you go room oh, baby, we die here. The real man of the cabin on your one year connected if you know about. About so many of our duro boys take collect me for all those that all those father sando.
No, so it be, na so na the game, na so it be.
I duro boys for this room, not collect me for all shege father son.
Yes,
Because all those shege father those one they have their own street, they do their normal street things. If I why if I your boy as your boy or munu ye munu if the woman using a touch a paprika don't raise the game the past sleep is snow. Mama consider that will really come from Libya, blood the hot. You take trans, take Igbo Jonah, miss ya gbe ogbese money, wa gbese money, wa di se money, wonu hikiyan akarabi ego. Iye gati o, ero sapolo wa so, ero sapolo wa baba la gbe, ero sapolo wa yu mo be, wa yu mo be pe mi. O ni ai we my readers, ni ai we my reader. O wa so. Ye wa so.
Hello, now good evening.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, my brother. I greet the house.
Yes.
Thank you. My first time I did talk for your live video. So this shop Nana here where they talk about African shop. Me for France, now France, they will not they do that kind of thing. We will get shop, we will really declare. Because France now country will be say, if they enter your shop, the day when they enter, they close them. No matter anything. Because that drug, so you they talk, you know they right to give children to the drink. Even if I want to give my children vitamin and they go pharmacy with my card to collect drugs, say make they go bring drink medicine from Africa. Interdit for France. We call it interdit. Me, I don't stay almost 30 years, so I know what in there. You know if we try am. The day that I don't stay here for 10 years, my shop at the operators is 10 years. I never ever do that kind of thing. And the day they enter, you will lose everything. Some people they do am, but me, I don't know. Waiting on them my paper, where government declare. I know if it's cigarette, I know the sell. Because I know declare. And I know they hide seller. So now I say, make I talk to you, my brother. May I talk to you, I say, you know they do it for France. Who they do it, one day they go catch them. Unless you know they sell for house. And the people you see they sell for house, one day now, one day, they go catch them. Who will get shop with they suffer, with they pay tax? So understand? They shop and they hear everything they talk. Thank you. God bless you.
Shop. Well, God bless you,
God
man.
bless you.
No Africa
God bless
shop for this video where they don't pay tax. You understand?
Yes.
But
Yes.
that same Africa shop for things they suffer. Even including some cream self, what they sell are normal. But why I bring and come out this evening, now make all Africa shop owners to learn.
Exactly.
Like the woman with the sees the two children down. The next place where they will go down at the Africa shop for better medicine. You understand? Now, you know, so the one they will drop back, you know what I mean? They go cast the shop. You understand?
Yeah.
If a license a doctor prescribe, they don't go doctor, they go verify from doctor. Doctor say no, that medicine like that no know. He no prescribe and give the children. You understand? So now, where you can see this medicine? Now police they ask now.
They go check. They go catch them.
You understand? So now that's why they blow this alarm now, so that anybody will not say this kind of thing they saw, make you know I think already said.
Exactly. Exactly.
Because we not go feed the happy say our mother said they still get application for the still manage feed their children small.
Exactly.
So go to pay see they not get shop again. You understand?
Exactly.
So that's why they blow the awareness to make everybody for the year.
God bless you.
Epavito, normally all those things are contraband. You just be like African shop when they my side. If control they call they not they talk they on mufti.
It's true.
So yeah, they do on mufti. If they get one when they call control now, after they control and they give her about almost 50,000 euros, they throw away all those things when they say freezer. As come your be that one a contraband. Once they come, maybe the one we fair here go tell never here. They'll put the head down. If all these things, so let me if I get belly, if I want born anything will concern Africa team, I know they use that for my children. Exactly. The other day you foresee some people they'll say this grape water. They go buy am. You see get another one wey they see they use. Here what when pharmacy there.
Pharmacy day.
If one they eat am
7 key of power.
If one they eat am
7 key
for never. My brother who ya mere ye, who make sure who ya mere ye. Who be matalatori biekayo. I don't know what they worry some of our people. Some of our mothers they use Africa cream for children, small pikin. It's why I look at white. It's why I look fair and white.
Ubege otame oni nuwekani. Yaki eve pharmacy de dia.
Yes, ogo. Katon, all the thing you joy ukon yo.
Yes, green.
Doctor Boemele. A doctor Boemele, you not joy never like pink and blue. Eliya ya wear yo. Doctor don't write down for me. Ha. Now wow. My sister. Ma wa mere ye ugele ya mere ya ye honi. U ya ye to tell ugele ye. You put that their children matalator. Newspapers take cover. Ha. Now wow. Why be so ya say gbo jija no lo no mo ya so gbe pada no lo. Africa ake mu ege.
Problem wey dey now. Two children now, it don't go.
Okay.
Una good evening.
Now they still want
good evening.
To for bad medicine.
They call Frank. Una good evening.
Wow.
Frank. You see that woman, so no be that woman where they collect picking for me, they pity for her. You know why they pity for Frank? Now the man will go for that woman hand tomorrow. We go still give that woman belly again. Now that man I go dey problem because as they don't collect that children, so any pikin wey that woman born, they go still collect her for hospital.
Truth, government don't put her for his body.
Collect her.
Yeah.
And that woman, any man will go come in life, you know go tell the man, say see the thing wey make them collect pikin. Say if I still born again, then go still collect her. Now so government they collect many women children. At the end, they no go talk say na their problem, they go say na the man problem.
Exactly.
They go say na the man problem. Frank.
If I be that woman, I go just change country. Because this thing look like
Frank, listen. I want to tell you one thing. You say change country. Me, I tell you one thing. You get somebody, get a woman wey be say they Germany before. They collected 2 children. That woman come out, he come France. You dey hear so? He come France. As he born for France, now hospital they first still collect pikin. That record don't dey. He don't dey
document. He don't dey follow on. He don't dey body.
Now Europe you dey, my brother.
Now Europe you dey now. Now Schengen now.
Exactly.
See when you talk na truth o. One girl still dey my city, the one wey born for France, now they fit carry. The one wey born for Germany, they come still later carry am. And if you see this girl now, she dey run me about for TikTok. If you see her, you know say that kind of thing dey her body. Mia, yan jukmo gwegbe of here.
In France.
Sounds like terrible place.
Frank, any woman near me on money. I can meet me. I got life ni. When I am with Connie Woni. Near the June, we are near my when I yakoke.
Yeah, we now. Or now you will not take away that. You might win not here.
And Omokao emera, nukpo give emera. Third one not get papa, fourth one. Now this say you both there be mumu. And if you want boy, you know they give gump.
My sister.
Maybe one go use 1 year senior one.
My sister only know what can he agbon very no ragmo. Even the woundness, if you ever none in as soon.
Okay.
Agbon ya wa ever none in as soon.
Only you go call you say this one not get papa, this one not get papa. How come they give you belena ghost? Because of government money.
Once we don't say this watching.
Every single mother na yeta. Every single mother when a single mother born in Germany, born in France. In France, na imagine every single mother being ajevo. Truth. Because no.
When we now go one.
My brother, iya kwe aro self any boom iya wa French France guest awa. Who can do me France guest no why single mother o ma say who 100 or ma say 20. Most of any why single mother si evolve ya carry.
Bele sit you me na why na. We me single mother, we me single girl. But why problem is I me small girl, I me single girl can let. We also see lose guard them we follow up normal. I mean, a marriage no have you know. Elika ni je Kevin Areyere.
Why you single yawo? Ashawo.
Okay, we have big photo. Small.
We not Taiwe no je. I know we va yawo. And we no tie me down.
What was the idea winning?
Oh, ideni no yen no ka we ba ya we aka we my charge phone we my use phone no have charge phone we then we ya the phone. Tamam.
Very good question, Frank. O faço no hotel, mas charge we ya phone.
Tamam.
Me senti. E we me senti. E no si a me o ya gwale na kan.
Ami kitana lisan. Na yore ya fununu.
No. It's not for you.
Oh, you do marry. You are a man.
I'm a woman.
Why la je we okay. We man we ye we say. They go leku. Gagba ya.
Leku?
Pao, la wo ya not ana, a single mother, a single girl. No, a single mother, ne bana, keve a single girl. Nerere magbana nerere gbana. They know we prefer maybe we are here date.
A single mother, no?
Single mother will help.
A single mother so raw Waga dating ya no ike jealousy yen we need jealousy mamuya. But alright single girl lele. Single mother.
Jealous.
I know jealous.
Jealous.
Jealous, eh?
Okay, Nikki, my brother. Oh, you may we no more yo to no more yo to. Oh, me no ya kokivie. Oh, vie.
Forget it.
Single mother. Single mother. Both yes. And single mother will hear you. We single mother or the rest of us go get. One of
Kakabo, I met anything.
Well, now single mother. I had your boy yo.
Yeah.
Have you know? Have you?
And when me ya we single mother or be it is yegbe. So a single girl so 1 week ya mana we ya it stay. E mata no.
Oh, no be that one. If not might be big way.
Oh, Risha.
It's now one normal thing we be say you teach your body. You see, a single one that you run over there, single girl. It's single giving myself. It's not.
That one not true.
What is that? Today, I've never single mother or the new no. Oh, when the manage you must go get I must go more than I will not hear. You understand? Just like he never had born. It's a good guess. So we have a so it's a good mother. Oh, you go.
Thank you.
Oh, you know, again, Naliziku. Oh, you tawa, should we walk with no? We are missing go my way. When you can see your dog. Oh, Eke was not dog best here with me. Oh, drag a cow. Who are the walk now?
Frankie.
Oh, God. I will not see you, will not see a or no drag a cow. We are here, we can be a see it with me. When I back one, Eke went like the way. You never know. Gamma know what they talk. Woman are your belly full out. Oh, mio. You know, be shining, but good plaster.
But we are like a cow, we know, grab a ladder.
Yeah, you can't be willing. Oh, yeah.
So, my belly, a mukoni of one no doalele.
Oh, when you have been with only money, man,
normally, you would discharge no, normally, you would discharge.
Oh, could not discharge.
5 minutes.
Oh, with this time, enough for
yeah.
Minutes.
Okay, no soon, bodo.
Oh, no, on your year,
yeah, soon. Oh, mielo. That was where the movement, Anika, commute in.
You get my point now. On your mistress area. Oh, we are saying, unless we are going to go a romantic, we are going to know the vibe. You understand? Now, we are on a vibe. We get up when it done. You give vibe, you give your own vibe. Oh, pass screen.
It's super mama, we will give a comment session. We have a power tap. Now, adult school we did, so we did adult class.
Our men they scream. Ask screaming no who.
You return
the match. On your return match. We are returning match. Or married West suitable. Or what is Bikwa?
On the return of the match.
Return of command. In terms of sexuality, we call it return of command. As they give command. You they give on that vibe. But let your vibe be sexy. It's a man.
Parfois, voilà, mieux, ik bien rien, du way les fesses y a doit agir.
This one a bad woman.
Du way le doit agir. Il doit non, mais non, ouais, à ego,
you can never understand. Who can understand?
Il gasse na boss, il gasse na face de bio. Et bon, m'avait pas vu ton a les fesses aurait wa mo c'est rien, tu vois.
That's another story. You know what they call? Who went the mood and open a KBA? What is your ego stand? All your body now, your body system was changed.
Iwa gbe kwale odo jeleta awa asame dere yo. E baba ilovye ye be do pa gbo kiyen me.
Where Yoku, where by Zabo, wa Kenya, that period, who that period. Oh, when I who face, oh, what is Ziga?
Eh, me kata ma.
Who is Ziga? Oh, when I killer. And me many again, I go on. Me many again, I go. Oh, your baby stuff. Where you?
Boke ya we.
What's the
Hey, baby, I'm coming.
Oh, yeah, Mohiari,
So that the way they so ya da so.
How so? We are tonight.
We no even do myself. Maybe Obiani Omalere the Umenwan or what you gbe on you. Oh, I'm not dumb myself. No very.
Azan woni. Ose beaucoup around.
On me, maybe of a Pamere and the woman egbe. Well, we have a big west or I'm here. Oh, yeah, Funa Hetty, I'm here.
Oh, well, Okuna, Madame Una, look here. Ogani Nyari, or Mark Bitum, or Mark One, or Ogere, or you know what. I'm married. I'll take Boa.
Yeah.
That's the only time you hear the voice of a man. Yeah, you must hear his soundtrack. You must hear his voice. You understand? No what's up. When you give you a vibe, you as a woman, you will like the vibe. I will test you. If you don't like that man, when that one comes to the vibe, when you give you, you will like the man. You know, say, man, this man knows what's inside. You understand? I know, be out here, I don't say, oh, you wouldn't. Yeah, Evan.
ọmọpá ni hàn dé kọ́mẹ́dì náà máa hẹ̀ nínú òpìá náà gbọ́ òkú náà gbọ́ bí ọ̀hán àti ẹ̀ wá bí omi ọ̀hán rẹ̀ ló yà sùn á lóbi ẹ̀kọ́ náà wẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ̀ náà pa èrí tẹ̀wẹ̀ bọ̀dá kẹ́ ẹ̀ náà pa èrí tẹ̀wẹ̀ bọ̀dá kẹ́ ẹ̀ náà pa owó wẹ̀ rà ọ̀wẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ̀ náà pa èrí tẹ̀wẹ̀ bọ̀dá. Uwe weka boda na so ate ta mewe oni e problem o ma ti re boda emi boda pa gbele o ya we e ki adon ewon wi
E ki arule so iye-eki control gbiyan. I mean, they test you. This is what they talk now. He join with the worry most of all this our single mothers. You know, you're Bobby and Yogi. You know, someone
no good. Oh my God. I made the fake by.
Do you know what it was so raw? Oh, you know, body car friend. My one is a bob, man. I met another one 3-bedroom. So, a room man. What the room river twins. Twins not that oh can Germany na the room. Room.
Why you conjig boviere wa?
That was 2020.
And it was so equal scream.
Baba. Coronavirus.
Why you conjig boviere wa ho?
I'm going to make you.
It's over waiting. When go no ya
this one, she did that's or along in my debut and my domorewa. No
at all. Now not that word that she did.
Bro. My I did what be the next man look up. But very money assume a guy feel a wooer. He has to get a feel a wooer. Mine also. Oh, I don't buy. I will give you by early morning. That early morning you gonna like Friday. Maybe I'm getting it done. Maybe if you get it back. Mais now to the Meladian. You may not be a freshen up. You know the guy where you are Ladian. You have a bubble. No, you have to. No, boy, true. You have to. This is what they go away. Umenwan. We have a game of you one. I don't be one. It can be ballon in your figure. I don't understand. You don't understand me. People, what are you saying? Okay, brother. Like to be one. Yeah. Okay, well, you start to work me. I think what to do, my brother. What will you ask one? What will you get? What will you water? Epa. What were you start me? I think. I don't get come with her. This matter, that is matter. You might catch follow the Brussels. I don't calm down. We calm down. What am I saying? No, yes, so. A Brussels in the Brussels, no, serious here. Oh, I can't hear. I can't hear water. I can't hear them here. We have you. Oh, my God. As a gelo. You understand? So, those things they make when you give their children a job. When they are very smart. They are very smart. They can go ask mommy, why you cried last night?
We are Tony, a meso, and we are when we are one near me every okay, capote, ne babaya ni de. Again, you hear do ya little cook no man.
This is what we
Yes, now that they go work on the follow you, they play. Ale papa na papa ni de. Heavy. Again, no, you're not do asanya we.
Whether go and explain. O man say no be kind.
Oh, what is it going on here?
I said, Meli. I said,
oh, wait, but Papa, oh, I
on my way, the tea campé, and a part John Thomas don't stand. On my marriage, we are hello, ya, or he said, you know, sleep. Again, you do ya sanya we, and you pack back, but your mamma, you do a cool weaver, and you going your man knocking.
Especially having with something want to solve. Because
this one,
if you can't so jealousy, or anyone area.
Yes, now, yeah. Oh, because already, where?
What's a single mother? Oh, working very important. Wow, because where one jealousy must worry the can be.
Especially on Mobia.
But talk about one understand the money.
Especially on Mobia, no raw. Oh, wow, more with the man. Always on our dog origin. Everyone who are look where make a PC. No choice love our war.
All right, now let's go to another chapter. You know, soon we do a Boston. A Boston, there. A Kelly Okumbawa, aka a Boston. Not where a journalist to be a government house. Is that fair?
If I have any sin, no, there be.
No, it's not fair. No. Man, you say at all.
My brother, a government in Anorena, a government talk bubi no. Wagwa bubi ya wa.
Wawa we change the topic on your na.
Government talk bubi no.
Wawa we swan encouragement. Wawa we fear topic you will really well no there.
Yeah. No we bubi the UK are celebrated.
Okay, posto mama celebrated. Mama koyo at all. What it is wrong.
Frank Ubege.
We are we change. We change. Dem abu we ya gui me abu we. Okay, mana bagboda. We are zed do ni enebe. Yeah, fear me.
Where we me.
Me wa we we fancy ma weji. Ajose bonjour magbe. Bonjour.
Normally, Franco. I want to know that thing because I'm understand. What about soon with social media and here we sit down called Jordan. You understand? We get that art of double chief by slapping Abbas. And also go to Nigeria. The APC government went and celebrates double chief, even give him an award, which it was totally bad. They encouraging violence. Now, they call it digital slap. They must slap to come. That's what they said during that celebration.
Do you know that celebration of that slam, that is the thing that a celebration you go on now. There are still many people for them to celebrate.
Now, you see, whatever your own son will fight. You don't want that your son to fight again. You will either sanction him or warn him next time not to see that thing repeat again. You understand? Then when he bina or no, this is my son, not my word in there. They take 1 minute.
Can I say something?
Hold on, while I'm coming. If it was 1 minute, until they feed them before, you can't give them 2 beats. Automatically, that boy will now say, oh, wow, that means it's good to fight. You understand? My daddy is celebrating me and fighting, so I would like to fight more. You understand? That was what the APC leadership did to double chief. Now, one of their members, and that's this slap person, can go slap.
Pavito Gume get guane mutia. Emenu taban we pikin go fight for outside. Go call us, Papa go tell am say wetin he do good or wetin he do not good. But depends on that pikin as they take bully am. Maybe that pikin that they bully am for school always. They find the trouble for school always. So as the boy can't retaliate, na batting.
Yes.
I tell be batting.
Okay. Many of you women here who are single mothers or mothers or fathers, if your children do anything wrong for school, in fact, the person where they call the parents, why your people go fight, the school not go accept them. I don't see people that don't still stop from school. They don't come school again. Instead, you as a mother, you go quarrel with your people and say, why will you fight? Your teacher, you have to go and report to your teacher than fighting. You understand? You don't go encourage that people to fight or to fight back. Say person, the fight, make it fight back. If you can go injure person, go buy person. You as a mother will be proud. See your people becoming a murderer. You understand? That's the reason why we don't encourage those kind of things from children. Now, abroad, we know how they play for abroad. Our children, they go to school.
But you know, say most of those people that they find trouble, because especially country when me they so.
Let me take
most of our children they get bullies well.
Some white children,
they find trouble.
Right from small people, they be racist.
Yeah.
When they see black among them, they always want to look for black trouble. They will call on sort of name.
Yeah.
We go provoke the baby. You understand? Some of the baby will come report for us.
If happen to me for where for the work, oh.
You understand? So what you will do, like my wife now. If the call report, my wife will follow my children go school. You go report to the school authority where they want that person. You understand? Really, they go the school authority go handle that scenario. It is better than your picking only fights. It's bringing bad record to his own name for that school. You understand? Which is not good. If they call you for PTA, now you go know the character of your children. When they call for Teachers Parents Association, PTA, say all parents come. They want to tell you about the attitude of your children in school. You go hear story about your children. Then you go know if you go reach us, you caution your children or caution your children. You understand? If your children is doing well, some of you go reach us, you will buy gift for your children. My wife, they do one. Go buy gift, go give us, say, your teacher tell me your performance for school, how you say they behave for school. You go buy gift, you go to encourage the pikin. In case next time, so that you go to do more, you continue with that character. If na fight, they fight. Now problem go dey finish us. You understand? Now problem that the people there. So until we continue with this legacy for our future children, but we not born arrogance like Ebo Stone, Tony Kabaka, and the rest. All this are Beurism. How can you slap a married woman, a mother, people's mama, people's sister, and you think it is
someone wife? But no, Ebo Stone is really wrong. Why wrong? No matter anything with that woman do.
Inside government house. The most safest place, the supposed most safest place for you to stay. None of a weird person, 5 card for face. Now,
no, you're not doing well at all. Very wrong.
Is Edo still shining? If slap the occur for government house, waiting go up for ring road. Voila. Not be lie. What is bad is bad. We never encourage violence. It's not good.